I don't think I was ready for this, man. Not yet, at least. And with the Galaxy Tab S6, I got the book cover keyboard already. Yo, what's good, y'all? It's Latrell, and man, this is so exciting. Like, I never saw this day coming. Okay, I did. But still, this is the Galaxy Tab S6, guys. Ooh, I'm so excited for this. I'm getting this to upgrade my Galaxy Tab S4. Well, not yet. Not the same exact one. Because this isn't the one that I wanted. This is actually in gray and 128 gigs. But I wanted the 256 gig one in blue. But this is what we got right now. I told Best Buy that I'm going to be returning this stuff. So they were okay with that. And look at this. This isn't sponsored by Best Buy or anything, but if you actually buy this at Best Buy, they will give you a $50 gift card there. I was like, whoa, hold on, that was pretty cool. That's pretty dope at Best Buy, so I'm feeling that. But yeah, this is what they had in my Best Buy. If they had the 256 gig one in blue, then I would have just got that. But on there, and even like the Samsung website, it's back ordered, because when I ordered it, it was like maybe October 8th it said, so I was like, you know what, let me just do this unboxing right now. So yeah, Galaxy Tab S6, and I'll be just showing it off to the S4 briefly. And I got the book cover keyboard, because you've got to if you're getting a Tab S6. Same thing with the Tab S4, but this got a trackpad on it. So Samsung logo at the top, we got the tablet, and it says Tab S6 in the shiny design again. You know, Samsung's been on that this year. And on the right side, we have the tablet. On the right side, we have the right side of the tablet. On the back, we got some specs that we know I'm not gonna read, except for, yeah, you can see right there, 128 gigs. Galaxy Tab S6 logo on the left. On the top, we don't got nothing. At the bottom, we just got my info. Okay, where my unboxing knife, man? Hold on, this is open. Let's close this and then open it, because you know we got to do that. Let's try it again. That wasn't good enough. Bang! There we go. So we got one piece of plastic. Let's just go ahead and cut that real quick. Bow. There we go. Actually, we got two. Okay, let's go ahead and cut that two then. Bow. And oh man, let's get this out the box. Here we go. We got the Samsung logo. And let's just go ahead and just kind of get that out of there. Come on, Samsung. But here we go, man. We got our Galaxy Tab S6. Let's go ahead and take this out the plastic. I'm not going to get to the box first. I'm going to get to the tablet first. Because for the longest time, I've just been following YouTubers who actually been getting to the box first. But like this time, I'm thinking, nah, I think I'm gonna get to the actual device first. Oh man, here we go. We got our Galaxy Tab S6. Let's look on the back. That's where our S Pen goes. And this plastic part right here is actually where it charges. So on the front, we got our camera, and then we got our bezel. On the side, we have our volume buttons and our power button. And we got an SD card slot. And if you got the cellular version, it's a SIM and SD card slot. On the back, we have our two cameras now, because that's new. So we got an ultra wide, and then we got a regular camera, wide angle lens. And like I said, right here's where our S Pen goes. We got a Samsung logo in this shiny look. Sound by AKG. It says tuned by AKG on the Tab S4, not sound by AKG, but well, that's new. Energy Star, that was on here too, but took that off. And then we just got some more information here, like the model number, made in Vietnam. And it's all aluminum now, so it's not metal like the Tab S4. And that's what it looks side by side. So let's look at the front real quick. Let's look at the bezels. Okay, yeah, that's definitely a little bit slimmer on here. But yeah, just looking at it side by side, let's just go ahead and put these next to each other like this. This is a little bit shorter. The Tab S6 is just a tiny bit shorter since we have those slimmer bezels. But all we got here is the camera now, and we got our light sensor. We don't have any of the intelligent scan features, but we got an in-display fingerprint scanner. It's not ultrasonic though. But yeah, on the left side, we just have our pogo connectors here for like the keyboard cover. Wait, where'd that thing go? For our keyboard cover here, our book cover keyboard. And then we just got a couple inserts here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So let's look at the bottom. We got quad speakers on here, so it's two at the bottom, and then we got two at the top. But we got a USB-C port with some antenna bands, and at the top we got more speakers, antenna bands again, and then we got a microphone. Okay, let's go ahead and turn these things on right now. Man, I am so excited for this. There's no vibration on here when you turn it on like on the Galaxy Tab S4, but this is what it looks like side by side. Man, you don't understand how excited I am. Even though I'm not keeping this, still I'm excited, man. But let's go and get to the rest of the box while that's turning on right there. So we got an S Pen here that magnetically attaches to the back of this. And then next to the Tab S4 S Pen, that's what it looks like. It's more flat now instead of just rounded. And just feeling it, I like this better. It feels more comfortable. But yeah, so just looking at the tips here, they look pretty much the same. This is a little bit finer though. But let's look in the rest of the box. We got our charger here. It's a fast charger, just our regular fast charger that you find in the S10, not nothing like the S10 5G or the Note 10. And here we have our sim tools looking like exactly like the Galaxy Tab S4. We got our usual books that nobody cares about. I don't really feel like even getting that out the box to throw it to the side. And here we have our charger, so USB-A to USB-C, and this is where we got our S Pen nibs and stuff like that. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the box. I'm gonna go and set this thing up and I'll get back to y'all.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, we're all set. We're done. Okay guys, so here is our Galaxy Tab S6 with a Snapdragon 855 and 6 gigs of RAM. So let's go ahead and take that S Pen and just go ahead and magnetically attach it to the back right here. And something I also learned is, oh okay, that's cool. But let me actually go and take that off. Do we get an animation when we do that? I'm gonna go and skip the ear actions for now. That's basically the same thing as a Note 10. But if I put this on the back here, apparently we're supposed to get an animation. Okay, there we go. So I guess that's the animation. And by that one girl YouTuber, I can't remember her name. I'll put her name on the screen right now. She said that you can put your S Pen on the side here, and I guess you can. It's not that strong though, but I mean it goes there. Maybe if I lower it a little bit. Okay, yeah, that's a lot better. So I could just hold my tablet like this instead of just holding it like while it's sitting there on the back, even though it's all the way up here and it's not at the bottom. But if I had it this way, then I could just go ahead and do that. Nope, I cannot. But yeah, y'all, so let me go ahead and just take this out the box real quick. And it's like way heavier than the Galaxy Tab S4 one. Now, it was a while ago that I got my Tab S4 one. I got that while I was in Vegas. And if you remember the unboxing, I was definitely in Vegas because I was in that little room, rec room or whatever that was. And now I had to pop out again at Vegas with a Tab S6. But this one actually has a trackpad on it. And one thing I really like about this keyboard now is that you can actually detach this, so you don't have to have the keyboard connected all the time. So I could just go ahead and take that off there, and then you would just put the tablet on it. Now I want to try something. Can you connect it to the Tab S4? Let's try that right now. So let's try to dock that, and that's not really working all that well right now. If you see the Tab S4 right here, you can see these are definitely more spaced out than the actual keyboard cover on the Tab S6. So no, you can't use the Tab S6 keyboard cover on the Tab S4. I know it sucks because it has a trackpad on it. And it's the same thing vice versa. You can't use the Tab S4 keyboard on the Tab S6. But let me go and unlock this here, and let's go ahead and connect that right there. And there we go. Pretty strong once you got it on. But yeah, y'all, that was pretty much it. So thanks for watching. If you like this video, go and like the video. If you really liked it, go and subscribe. But all I have to go and do here is just open that, put the S Pen in there, and then close it. Bang, you can't even see it except for that big hump on the back. But yeah, like I said, I'll see you on the next one. Go and subscribe if you want to see more videos on the Tab S6, and peace out.